Hi, my name is Agri Patel. I am from Aeronautical Engineering. My concept is about aerospace applications of composite materials. What are composite materials? A composite material is a composed at least two elements working together to produce material properties that are totally different from the properties of the elements of their own. Mainly, the composite metals are two types: continuous phase and the disparate phase. In continuous phase, there are metals, ceramides, and the polysymmetric elements. In disparate phase, there are glass fibers and the organic fibers. Characteristics of a composite material. Composite have the following characteristics. Microscopically, it is non-homogeneous material and has distinct surface interference. There is a big difference in the performance of composite materials. The formed materials should be a great improvement in performance. Volume friction of the components is larger than 10 times. Why composites in aerospace industry? The main aim of the aerospace industry is to reduce the weight, keeping the same or more strength than the regular elements have. This criteria leads to use of the composite materials. There are also some reasons why composite materials are used for aerospace applications because they are high strength to weight ratio, they have high strength to weight ratio and the low density with high tensile strength, high creep resistance, high tensile strength at elevated temperature, they are high toughness. Types of composite used, which are used in the aerospace industry. The types are fiberglasses and CFRP, QFRP, and GLARA. They are the some components which are used in aerospace industry. Applications of composites in aerospace are fuselage. We use fuselage materials by building from the composite materials and the wing flaps, radars, elevators, roommate floor beams and the panels, helicopter main and the tail radar blade, space vehicles, missiles, rockets, etc. They are made from the composite materials we are using in the aerospace industries. Example of using composites in aircrafts are and the commercial and the military uses. They are from this the commercial uses the Boeing 777 and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A380. We are using composite in these vehicles like the commercial users, and from for the military purpose also we use the composite materials in B2 bomber and the CLA Tejas. We are using the composite materials in these vehicles. Aerospace vehicle composite structure. The structure of the aerospace vehicle composite type we use it to manufacture rockets and missile motors in these cases. In materials for these are carbon, armide and the glass are used for the making of the composite structure. Composites like carbon copper are used to manufacture entire nose tips and the heat shields. Advantage of composite material over the metal. They are light in weight, high heat resistance, high strength to weight ratio, low density, corrosion resistance are high, and and they have high stiffness and the fatigue resistance. What are the disadvantages of the composite materials? Use of composite is more challenging to design. NDA test for composite materials such more difficult as compared to metals. The elements of layers which are and they are high cost, damage tolerance, and we need specified repair techniques for the repairing of the composite materials. Future involvement of the composite materials. In honeycomb structure, we use the composite material and the hybrid composite materials, advanced designed through simulations, investigation into damage tolerance of bonded repair by test and simulations. They are the future involvement of the composite materials. And thank you. This is about my concept video.